really a good way to do this. Do that with a rasp around that end. I've had my eyes dilated and I can't see what I'm doing. going to be right here, so I need to take the headstock thickness down to this. And from here, okay. You're a good girl. Well, nice to meet you. Yep. Alright, there's the middle at the top. I'm going to measure the bottom. Actually, we got to measure 18 inches down. The truss rod is 18 inches long, which is exactly how long this bar is. There's a ruler that I have is. So we're going to measure 18 inches. Pretty much the entire length of the neck. I'm going to mark that. Let's put it up here where I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Now we want to do half of 2 1/8. So 1 1/16. And there's the middle of the neck, and that's where the truss rod goes. So now, I gotta clamp it down and route a truss rod in. Okay, so my camera died and I didn't realize it, and I was sitting here just working away and noticed that my camera was dead. So I went and charged it, but I did do a lot of work. But I'm going to show you something that it's probably a good thing the camera was dead, because I may or may not have messed something up, and I may or may not have said a very loud word that shouldn't have been said, that I would have had to have tried to figure out how to beep out. So, yeah, look at that. But the truss rod is in. See, what happened here was I was routing out the channel, and I got to about right here, and the router, this router, I didn't have enough pressure on it. It slipped and jerked this way, pulled straight down, and then went over to that side. But I did get the truss rod access. The truss rod is down in there, and it's a 4mm Allen wrench. It's probably a good thing that I'm not selling this one, that the one I'm going to sell, I'm going to come up with some kind of a router jig or something that I can use a table and lay it on the table. I'll probably route the channel before I even start shaping the headstock or anything. I'll probably like put the truss rod channel in, then go ahead and cut the scarf joints and everything after that, like earlier in the video. And so that's that. All right. Now that I think about it, I guess now is as good a time as any to go over all this. So we're going to go over all the parts and pieces from StewMac. Try to get my address off here. There we go. That way none of my fans can track me down. Anyways, all right, so here we have, obviously, the nut and side dots, and I went with the Pearloid fret markers. You can't really tell much about them in here. I think that'll look good on this ebony fretboard, pre-slotted ebony. It's gonna look good on this. Let's see, what else? Obviously the Tune-O-Matic bridge and Gibson style tailpiece. This is the tailpiece, this is the bridge. I didn't have the correct size drill bit for that. And then you have our pickup covers. Obviously the tall one for the back, short one for the front, and lots of fret wire, which I'm going to have to make a big jig to bend those to be able to put them in the fretboard. So that's it. That's all the stuff that I bought. I guess next thing I'm going to glue the fretboard on, and probably going to end up calling that a video for today. Neck shaping will be the next thing. I'll probably do that all with the fretboard on, so that way I can kind of get a solid edge for the, you know, at the end of the fretboard onto the neck. Obviously that'll be a lot longer video, a lot of high-speed stuff, because the shaping takes a while. On the previous one that I built, I probably worked on shaping the neck for probably 2 days, and then when my dad got it, he worked on shaping the neck even more to fit the way he wanted it to feel. You know, I kind of left it at that. So that'll be it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.